Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol PLTR. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, a bit more of a pullback here today, so certainly some updates here need to be done from the technical point of view. First I'm going to do is actually a little house cleaning, just get rid of that line up there. Sure, that level still pertains, just not really relevant right now. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing confusion because there's lines and clutter everywhere I look. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible. First update that needs to be done, though, just comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. And that's where this area right here at 23.35 now comes into play. So like I said, earlier on in the day, the price broke down below it, and then at that point, you'd expect it to act as resistance. I mean, you could throw this right into a textbook. I mean, it played out just like that. You can see right there, price got up around that area, failed to break above it, and then even late day, price was hovering up around that area and failed to break above it. So it makes, and I'm not saying the price can never ever get up above that area again. I'm just saying it makes sense why the price is currently struggling at that area. The good news is the price is, where it closed, well within striking distance of that area. I mean, that doesn't guarantee anything, but it makes it a more than valid, a more than rational thought to think, you know what, I think the price still has a very good chance of breaking above that level. So we'll see if that happens with that moving forward into Wednesday here. If the price can push up through that 23.35 mark, then the next key level of resistance to watch very closely would then be that pink line right there, which on my chart denotes the 200 period moving average, which is currently valued at, let's just call it $23.50. In terms of levels of support, next level of support to watch moving forward going to be right down there at the 22.75 mark. So 22.75, next key technical support level. But those are going to be the main overarching levels to watch here headed into Wednesday. So let's see how this one plays out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.